In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find missing or not visible files in Google Drive. There's nothing more frustrating than knowing you've uploaded a file and not being able to find it exactly when you need it. Luckily, with a few simple steps, you can locate those elusive files and get back on track quickly. Let's dive right in so you can recover your lost documents and ensure your workflow isn't interrupted. First, navigate to your Google Drive homepage. Open a new browser tab and go to the Google Drive website. Once there, the interface should look familiar, with your files neatly organized. If you're not seeing everything you expect, don't panic. We're going to explore some areas you might not have thought to check. The next step is to click on Bin, which is Google's term for the trash or recycle bin. Sometimes, files that seem to have disappeared may have been accidentally deleted or moved to the bin. This is a surprisingly common issue, so let's make sure that's not what's happened here. When you open the bin, you may find your missing files there. Restoring them is simple. Just right-click on the file and select Restore, and it will be moved back to its original location. Once you're in the bin, take a look at the top section where you can adjust how your files are arranged. Click on Modify, which allows you to organize files by the date they were last changed. This can give you a clear picture of where the missing files might be, especially if they've been in the bin for some time. If you still haven't located your missing files, don't worry. Google Drive allows you to sort files by different time frames. Under the Modify tab, you can display files from the last 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, or even the entire past year. You can also customize the date range to fit your specific needs, which is particularly helpful when dealing with older documents. Finally, once you've selected the date range, click on Name to arrange your files alphabetically. This makes it much easier to spot any file that might have been overlooked earlier. Alphabetical organization combined with date sorting gives you a clear line of sight to locate exactly what you're looking for. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to locate any files that seem to have gone missing in Google Drive. As a best practice, periodically check your bin and make sure nothing important is being deleted accidentally. I hope you found these tips useful for managing and retrieving your files. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials to make your digital workflow smoother and more efficient. Happy Google Driving!